First look poster for Kirby film, Rycom released. US-UK submits memorandum to DC and SP over excess taxation at entry gates. Good morning, viewers. You're watching Kirby Anglong Live Morning News with your host, Bon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. The first look poster for upcoming Kirby film, Rycom, was released today during a press conference held at Arboretum Cum Craft Center, Dipu. The film will be produced by Marlin Films and Music in association with Hanjang Music and Entertainment. The film is based on the struggles and discrimination faced by the tribal people in their own land. Rycom will be directed by Raja Teron of Dipu, who had received many awards in the international arena for his two short films, Three Pieces of Life and Another Way. Both the films were featured in several national and international film festivals at India, Europe, Ukraine, Canada, etc. Speaking on the occasion, Kirby Film Society Secretary and actor Dilip Bey said he is hopeful that Rycom will be second Kirby film to bring laurels for Kirby Anglong after Woso Bipo, which won national awards 1990. He also spoke about the need for youths to come forward in developing Kirby films and that more youths must try to learn from renowned film institutions.
So Rycom wala marjan ke Marlin Films and Music lapentu kacirap dunji bang Hanjang Music and Entertainment. Alang litun non pinengang bong bang so la marjan kabonda ponji bate pini bang so pustar kang kupon ke pangcheng bang ke ningarong para lam lo lapen nilitum kaddo gawe Kirby Film Society hin pen same alang lihan churu paro pen alang lige nut bakso films of course anap alang lige Charlie mate ke thega bang fuan parda pom mahir alang li than lo da hini short film mate chihe ka film bangso international bangso competition ma alang lige nong de long tang bang fulo bangso lam than lo asi alang li ban churo paro lapen non national level international level bangso Rycom film ke ponji wa bangte lidum unan lidum la chirap dun ko film society hin ke same lapen na tuma thodi si kando kabe alang li bangso pini ke pache thang bang pulong same na tum ansu se pache thang pi kon ko sami benda churo paro bachuni rilo awlo Kirby alamarjan ke 1990 Woso Bipo bangso hini award long that pen a phi bangge non anda bangso national level international level ku bangge aweda ke long do novela kasi ke damtang pena ningkan pen sa pena na production bhandani tum than lo lamarjan ka bonda ke mane category do aja ke award khan aja ke commercial khan bangso ke claim nangji pena kan do sita me pena na bang ku da ka bangge only for commercial khan si mane selam ko pache thang na ko sab tangkalong na kolam hazuma thaso sidame bangso national level by international level long jong si lamarjan si patti bonji pulutan si patti dunji pulutan de kolosona a subject si enjima kolosona subject si ponji ma si marji ma lapen ko bang apor alam tadu apora teng benada sensor kuri dun nagi sensor certificate ave pute competition ke dun nongle madu competition ma dun nongle la solam clear chini.
Member of the production team, Longbir Terang, informed that auditions for the said Kirby film will be conducted very soon. There will be weeks-long workshop for the selected artists and more emphasis will be given to take local actors. The film will take part in both national and international film festivals and is slated to be released in 2022.
Alangli direction ki ponji Rycom film pakai Kirby film masalah so film a title mate amen ini kado veran nu kejai lo lapen pada so film kicing si first look poster itu ala bang so first look poster bang ini ikon so kapan puji panten tu tinghon sa dili si pang bolong so ki lalu kasi Rycom ko film la bangke bang so Kirby film bangke Marlin Films and Music patumahin bensi paklang pun po mate produce pun po la solo bicara pun bangke Hanjang Music and Entertainment bicara pun po kasi la so film ko pi aku thak ma kulo te la no kage menalo rilo menadim lo mat inglong aso tu akidu kisung ke punan aso tak pacerap kensi aso film di sedang konji lalu
Roshan Hanse and Bikram Cross report from Dipu for Karbi Anglong Live. The United Students Union of Karbi Anglong Central Committee on Saturday submitted a memorandum to the Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police demanding action against those involved in excess tax collection at several KAC entry tax gates. The organization in their memorandum alleged that excess tax collection have been going on daily basis, which is entirely illegal and is causing tremendous mental harassment on businessmen and the public of the district. The organization further alleged that this is causing great anger among the public and has therefore generated unnecessary atmosphere which is confrontation in nature, as it is totally outrageous, unjustified, and should not be allowed to go on. The organization pointed out that excess tax collection is indirectly affecting the public in the form of rise of prices of commodities. The organization urged upon the district administration for immediate action against erring officials at the KAC entry gates. The organization said that they would be forced to take own course of action if no action is taken against entry gates officials. The organization urged upon the district administration to strictly monitor the tax collection activities at these entry gates to ensure right amount of tax are collected as per the KAC order. The organization demanded that all rates should be clearly displayed in public and hoarding boards be used. The memorandum was submitted by US-UKA President Bibi Sonteron and Secretary Jintu Hazarika.
border area junblak amar autonomous council joto anti tax gate ase he anti tax gate junkhini sarkaro guideline mote junto order ulai joto 2021 joto order ulaise pai gari jeneka dhon aru eta dangor kotha hol junto price lobo lage hetu ekhon signboard khon hang koribo lage kintu ami Karbi Anglongor bibino rekhot bibino thait ami dekhibo paisu je junblak anti tax gate junblak thakibo lage teuluke itialuke ei hang kora nai hetu khetrot ki hoise bibandon eta sৃষ্টি hoise jak jeneka pray teuluke সঠিক যাক যেনেকা পায় পইচা তেওঁলোকে দাবী ডিমাণ্ড কৰে তেওঁলোকক আমি লোৱাৰ লক্ষ্য কৰিব পাইছোঁ সেইকাৰণে আমি আজি এইটো ক্ষেত্ৰত আজি আমি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ডিচি মহোদয়ক এখন স্মাৰকপত্ৰ প্ৰদান কৰিছোঁ আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ এছপি মহোদয়ক আমি এখন স্মাৰকপত্ৰ প্ৰদান কৰিছোঁ কাৰণ সেই বস্তুটো ইমিডিয়েটলি এটা গৃহীত ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব লাগে নহ'লে প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু কাৰ্বি আংলঙত যোনবিলাক বস্তু আমাৰ সামগ্ৰী আহে প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু এই টেক্স গেটৰ কাৰণে প্ৰত্যেকটো বস্তু আমি লক্ষ্য পাইছোঁ যে মূল্য বৃদ্ধি হৈছে কাৰণ এই লকডাউন সময়টো যদি তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ যদি মূল্য বৃদ্ধি হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে সাধাৰণ গ্ৰাছ লেভেলৰ মানুহবিলাকে চলা বহুত অসুবিধা হৈছে সেইটো কাৰণে অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিল কৰ্তৃপক্ষ বা প্ৰশাসনৰ থ্ৰুদি যাতে ইয়াৰ ওপৰত গৃহীত ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব বুলি আমি সংবাদ মাধ্যমৰ থ্ৰুদি জনাব বিচাৰোঁ তেওঁলোকক আৰু যদি নলয় তেতিয়াহ'লে গণতান্ত্ৰিক মাধ্যমৰ থ্ৰুদি এই এণ্টি টেক্স গেটবিলাকৰ এগেইনষ্টে আমি প্ৰতিবাদ কৰিবলৈ আমি বাধ্য হ'ম
Harsing Rongpi's report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anamjum hekpen chome sen ahan long iji ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji kelong jaso namong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang ahan hipi gipi chutney dumke karlu phag ok kiup phag ok slice fry phag ok kipi phag ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponeji komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long iji aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along homri lote longponichi lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangja par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong.
A crucial meeting was held at Tekelangjun Higher Secondary School during which several matters pertaining to set up matriculation examination center in the area were discussed. The meeting was attended by headmasters and principals of 6 high schools, village headmen of the area, public and leaders of several organizations. The meeting was chaired by Tekelangjun Higher Secondary School Principal Jivan Chandra Bhuyan and was graced as chief guest by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tisu, who was accompanied by Korkanti BJP Mandal President Dolo Inti. Among others present at the meeting include Rising Sun English School Principal Rotin Rongpi, Teke Langjun English High School Principal Dhoniram Rongphar, Wellburn English High School Headmaster Pandaf Timung, and Paklongkam High School's representative Sam Bahadur Chetri. All members present at the meeting were united in their views and opinions about the long and enormous need for establishing matriculation examination center at Teke Langjun Higher Secondary School area in view of the numerous difficulties the students had to face due to lack of examination center in the vicinity. In addition to this, the House, including educational heads and their representatives, also said that if once established, it would remove several decades-long burden of the people whose life could be improved when they are given a good educational environment and facilities.
Teke Langjun High School এখন মিটিং হৈছিলে কিছুদিনৰ আগৰ পৰা ওচৰৰ যিকেইটা স্কুল আছিলে ওচৰৰ স্কুলকেইটাৰ হেডমাষ্টাৰসকলে আমাক এটা পৰামৰ্শ দি আছিলে আমি যদি Teke Langjunত চেণ্টাৰটো পাই যাওঁ তেতিয়া আমাৰ যথেষ্ট ভাল হয় যেতি ইয়াত দুখন ফিডাৰ স্কুল দুখন ৰিকগনাইজ স্কুল আছে আকৌ পাঁচখনমান প্ৰাইভেট স্কুল আছে গতিকে সকলো ষ্টুডেণ্ট মিলি পেলাই মেট্ৰিক চেণ্টাৰত বহিবৰ কাৰণে দুখৰ ওপৰত হৈ যায় গতিকে যেহেতু এই অঞ্চলৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাক প্ৰায় 20 কিলোমিটাৰ 18 কিলোমিটাৰ তেনেধৰণৰ দূৰত্বত গৈ পেলাই ডকমকাত পৰীক্ষা দিব লগা হয় গতিকে এই ক্ষেত্ৰত ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাকৰ যথেষ্ট অসুবিধা আছিলে সেইকাৰণে ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ ইণ্টাৰেষ্টত আমি এখন ইয়াত মিটিং পাতিছিলোঁ আৰু সেইখন মিটিং পাতিবৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ অনাৰেবল এম ছাৰ ৰাজু টিচাৰ ছাৰেও তেখেতে পৰামৰ্শ দিছিলে গতিকে সেইমতে এখন মিটিং পতা হ'ল তাত সিদ্ধান্ত লোৱা হৈছে চেণ্টাৰটো বনাবৰ কাৰণে আৰু সেই ক্ষেত্ৰত উপযুক্ত ব্যৱস্থা ল'বৰ কাৰণে সেৱালৈ পঠাবৰ কাৰণে দুজনক দায়িত্ব দিয়া আছে তেখেতে হৈছে ধনিৰাম ৰংফাৰ দেৱ আৰু মই নিজে গতিকে আমি বাকীখিনি প্ৰচেছ কৰিম
Meanwhile, KACM Raju Tiso expressed his full support on the matter and assured to accord full priority and take up the matter at the highest level for its early action and solution.
Honorable CM Akai Tuliram Rohangpan Niltum Korkanthi Homosti Hoipen Alangli Pani Kongpen Kecurupa Jeriglo Alangli in Pen Niltum Homosti Pan Penangan Niltum Hanangraplo Education in Penchenglo Towar on a Tupustame Patuna Tupustame Son facility Penangan Niltum Han Nilipilo La Pen de Pedafet Pustame Honorable CM Akai Nilidam Dampen Nili Honorable CM Akai Pan Hanlo Yahalada Teke Langjun Matang de Patpani Labang Suai School along meeting si meeting that let's see Nili Haladak meeting along the Dunajibon Palam Kajatana Masi oh Damon Lapen de Haladagara Tumla itu metric center alam Pula Hibustame Sing my tekangwat sing my pen pen claim pinon pulau bukan alam tesi lang lihin pen bustame lifan pudun damra claim damon sing jiwa sing by sing saya damon pulau bukan alam tesi lang lihin pen bustame lifan pudun sila soteng si bang lo bang pen dowe
Samsung Ingtis report from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. Koilamati Hobang Teron village youth Harson Timung, who recently got appointed as petition writer at Silunijan Assistant Revenue Officer under the Bokajan LAC, was feted by social worker at his home. The official appointment letter was issued on Thursday. His appointment has brought great cheers among local people of the 25 Nilip MSC constituency, as he comes from very poor background and nurtured by his mother, having lost his father at early age. Like many youths of the district, his life and schooling has been full of struggle, and their source of livelihood comes from money earned from selling local vegetables like hantu, mehek, dunkek and tara, among others. Eldest of 3 children, Harson Timung is not only hardworking, he loves reading and writing, including poetry, among others. His dedication, continued love for reading and writing, and hard work had finally paid off. His appointment as petition writer has not only brought great cheers among his family and village, but also to the entire area. Following this, social workers Horen Pangcho and James Pangcho met him and his family and felicitated him and all of his family members at house for bringing encouragement among the people of the area through his hard work and dedication despite their poverty.
Lonely nang kahumri lake koilamati howang tironarong inut thare harsom timung pu alangli sidonijan ERO office along petition writer arpu kilong lok puthak si tum non hemlong si dono koson kan sila bangso petition writer mate lotok bang asai kilong poma la bangso puthak alangli ni tumlong do ase Kicing bingidut alang ni fangsin ni dinon arji pon pon. Nang lemen kita ni mah.
Elemen thare harson timong.
Nang le sidoni jana ER office long petition writer arpu kilong lok puthak nang li rara phanang ni than panjul mi mah.
Thale ji. Aholo petition writer dak silnizan ER office long. Nili labang sorpu nili claim don long ipo. Yasi labang so along nali phan sai ne ke klem pi abang phu to phan sinilia prangsi lang to phan nali to ko bi chethan the prang lang to phan nali ka churo lang sinili pi prang lo lang to phan churo pik lo bikhe koi labang so asai long labang so sai ke klem ji phan phu da lutum council revenue lim sar amar singh tisu alang to me chernang cherabdun lo Tapi first kami rara sai klembang sar James Pangcho lang istami labang so sai long kelong je phan labang so sai ke kelong je phan dodi sang se sai klem pilo tapi first kami sar Horen Pangcho nilit mo punulo ang istami office sai ka to ko ke kelong je an nang klem pi petang etlo petang pedelo kasi alang phan istami churo pilo kasi la katobi alang tum nang kecharap nang kecito pera jok sen ni labang so sai labang so boring over sai ni kelong dun chok
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Caribbean Live. 6 persons suffered minor injuries in a collision between a 407 truck and a car at Rompimplam under Dilai Police Station on Saturday at around 8:25 a.m. along the National Highway 36. The incident occurred when the Mini 407 truck bearing registration number AS25CC 5934 heading towards Manja lost control and hit a car bearing registration number AS01AE 8095 coming from the opposite direction. The truck skidded off the road after it hit the car. Fortunately, no casualty was reported. However, 2 passengers of the truck and 4 passengers of the car suffered minor injuries. They were immediately taken to Dilai State Dispensary for treatment. The case has been taken up by Dilai Police at the time of filing this report. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Caribbean Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Caribbean Live and stay safe.